Hey guys, quick video for you on what are some alternatives to the DramaBox. The first one is Dailymotion. This is the one that you can actually like check out. I just need to pause the ad block here. So DramaBox, you have the exclusive or micro dramas, vertical video format optimized for mobile, and you're gonna find a lot of stuff here. So this is the first one that you can actually check out. Of course, you can also check out the Blibli. This is primarily for the Asia drama fans. So this is the one that you can actually like check out for yourself. And then also Good Short. This is also interesting one. That this is like a Chinese drama. There you're gonna find a lot of also interesting things to check out. So yeah, and also for the mobile reels, this is another one that you can also check out for yourself. And then also the short max. So primarily these are the ones that you can check out. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.